Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat for you: 15 shocking science facts that will completely change the way you see the world around you. Some of these might sound too unbelievable to be true, but trust me, you'll want to stick around to find out just how crazy science can get. And hey, if you enjoy this, make sure to like and subscribe because we have plenty more mind-blowing facts coming your way. Fact number 1: Immortal jellyfish. Alright, let's kick things off with something that sounds like it came straight out of a science fiction movie: immortal jellyfish. There's a species of jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrnii that is literally immortal. While most living creatures age and eventually die, this jellyfish can reverse its life cycle and transform back into its juvenile form, starting its life all over again. That means it has the potential to live forever, if it doesn't get eaten or fall victim to disease, of course. How wild is that? This amazing ability to reset itself is one of nature's greatest mysteries, and scientists are still trying to figure out how it works. So, the next time you think you're too old to try something new, remember this jellyfish. Fact number 2: UY Scuti, the giant star. Speaking of mind-blowing things, let's talk about stars. There's a star out there called UY Scuti that is so big it could fit 7 million Earths inside it. UY Scuti is a red supergiant star located in the constellation of Scutum, and it is about 1,700 times larger than our Sun. If you were to place UY Scuti at the center of our solar system, its outer layers would extend past the orbit of Jupiter. Now, try to imagine that for a second. This enormous ball of gas is just hanging out there in the cosmos, far beyond our reach. Yet it's hard to even fathom its size. Stars like UY Scuti make our entire planet seem so tiny in comparison. Fact number 3: trees can communicate. Ready for some forest secrets? Did you know that trees can talk to each other? No, they're not having conversations like humans do. But through an underground network of fungi known as the mycorrhizal network, trees communicate and share resources. This underground system allows trees to warn each other of dangers like pests or disease, and even share nutrients. Imagine that, a tree sending a help signal to its neighbors when it's under attack. This kind of communication is vital for the survival of forests and shows just how connected nature is. It's almost like a hidden web of tree intelligence beneath our feet. Fact number 4: your body creates 300 billion cells daily. Now let's zoom in a little. Every day, your body creates 300 billion new cells. That's more than the entire population of the Earth every single day. Most of these cells are red blood cells, but your body is also making new skin cells, muscle cells, and more. What's even crazier is that your body constantly gets rid of cells that are no longer needed or are damaged. In fact, you're constantly renewing yourself on a cellular level, which means you're literally becoming a new version of yourself every few years. Isn't that mind-blowing? This ongoing cycle of creation and destruction inside our bodies is one of the most fascinating processes in biology. Fact number 5: yawning is contagious and linked to empathy. You know how yawning is contagious? Well, researchers have discovered that it's actually linked to empathy. When someone around you yawns, you're more likely to yawn too. And it's not just because of boredom. This response is thought to be connected to your brain's ability to relate to others. Studies show that the more empathetic you are, the more likely you are to yawn when others do. So the next time you catch yourself yawning during a conversation, know that your brain is showing you how connected you are with the people around you. Before we dive into more jaw-dropping facts, if you're loving these wild discoveries, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got tons more fascinating science coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Plus, share this video with your friends. Let's blow their minds together. Let us know in the comments which fact shocked you the most. Fact number 6: chameleons change color to communicate. Alright, back to the wild side of nature. Chameleons change color for more than just camouflage. While many believe they shift colors to blend into their surroundings, they're actually doing it mostly to communicate. Whether it's to show dominance to another male, to attract a mate, or to signal their mood, chameleons use color to send messages. Their skin contains specialized cells called chromatophores that can shift color depending on the signals they want to send. So next time you see a chameleon changing colors, just know it's talking. Fact number 7: Mars is losing its atmosphere. Mars isn't quite the way we imagine it. In fact, Mars is slowly losing its atmosphere. Over the last few billion years, solar winds have stripped away most of the Martian atmosphere, leaving the planet with just a thin, mostly inhospitable layer. That's why there's no breathable air and no liquid water on its surface. But here's the twist: scientists are working on ways to terraform Mars, which could one day allow humans to live there. If that happens, we'll have to build our own artificial atmosphere. So, not quite Earth yet, but who knows what the future holds. Fact number 8: butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies are absolute geniuses when it comes to multitasking. They actually taste with their feet. Yeah, that's right. When a butterfly lands on a plant, it uses sensors on its feet to taste the plant and determine if it's the right one to lay eggs on. This unique skill helps the butterfly make quick decisions about where to reproduce and ensures its larvae have the best chance of survival. Fact number 9, your brain can store more information than all computers combined. Your brain is a supercomputer, and it works at lightning speed. In fact, your brain can process information about 60,000 times faster than you can blink. It's constantly working to interpret the world around you, make decisions, and keep you alive. And here's something wild. Even while you're asleep, your brain is still active, organizing memories, cleaning up waste, and solving problems. The complexity of the human brain is still far beyond anything we've been able to replicate with computers. Fact number 10, 100 lightning strikes every second. On any given day, there are 100 lightning strikes per second happening around the world. That's over 8 million lightning strikes every 24 hours. Lightning is one of nature's most powerful forces, and it helps balance the Earth's electrical charge. Fun fact: every time you see a lightning bolt, you're witnessing a discharge of electricity that can reach temperatures of over 30,000 Kelvin, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Fact number 11, your eyes are more complex than you think. Your eyes are nothing short of incredible. They contain over 2 million moving parts, and they can process around 36,000 bits of information every hour. But did you know that human eyes can also distinguish between 10 million different colors? Your eyes are super sensitive and powerful, even if you don't always appreciate them. And remember, what you see is all processed in a tiny part of your brain called the visual cortex. Fact number 12, black holes warp space and time. Black holes are mysterious objects that warp space and time. A black hole's gravity is so intense that not even light can escape it. These cosmic vacuums can bend time, slow it down, and pull in everything around them. What's even more fascinating is that black holes might hold the key to understanding the fundamental structure of our universe. Some scientists even suggest that black holes could be portals to other dimensions or parallel universes. Talk about a sci-fi scenario. Fact number 13, your brain works harder while you sleep. Your brain works harder when you sleep than when you're awake. You might think that sleep is just for resting, but your brain is actually busy consolidating memories, processing emotions, and clearing out toxins. In fact, during deep sleep, your brain's waste removal system kicks into high gear, flushing out harmful proteins that could lead to conditions like Alzheimer's. So, make sure you get enough rest. It's not just about feeling refreshed. It's about keeping your brain healthy. Fact number 14, we've only explored 20% of the ocean. We've explored less than 20% of the ocean. That means more than 80% of the world's oceans remain completely unknown. There could be species living in the deep, unexplored parts of the ocean that we haven't even discovered yet. Who knows what strange, bioluminescent creatures are out there waiting to be found. Fact number 15, your reflection is reversed. When you look in the mirror, you're seeing a reversed version of yourself. Everything from left to right is flipped, which means the version of you that you see in the mirror isn't exactly how others see you. Pretty weird, right? It's just one of those everyday quirks of perception. Science is full of surprises and mysteries, and we've just scratched the surface. If you want to keep exploring the incredible facts of the universe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below letting us know which fact blew your mind the most, and keep those curiosity gears turning. Until next time, keep being awesome, keep learning, and keep questioning everything.